Hi guys, I just got home from Far Eastern University and I've been with the most awesome people there, and thank you very much for another wonderful moment, for another wonderful memory with you guys. Alam niyo na yan, Bibisok, COG, at kung sino-sino pa na mga nakasama ko. Yung mga new friend ko na nakilala, yung Ara in the company, Aika, basta, you know who you are. And thank you very much for this day, dahil I enjoy it, even though medyo natatakot ako kasi nga first time kong nagpakita sa inyo without my wigs. And thank you kasi you appreciated me the way I look and the way kung gaano siya kalapad. So, thank you very much for accepting me, which is dapat yun yung mangyari. And thank you kasi nga ganun na nangyari. And one more thing, thank you very much kasi finally nagkita na kami ni Chin. Chin, I'm so sorry again. I love you, I miss you. But you know how much I love you. You're my older sister and a younger sister too. So ayun nga, I hope to see you again. I hope to bond with you again. Sana mapunan natin yung mga bad memories natin. So ayun nga. Ayan, So yun nga, thank you very much once again. I am so satisfied for this day. Maraming salamat. And, oh, one more thing. Happy birthday, Mama. Ayan. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung age mo. Pero alam ko naman na you're aging gracefully. So, ayun nga. Happy birthday, Ma. I hope for the best. Good health, good wealth, career, long life. And, I hope God give everything that you needed and everything that you wish. So, ayun nga. Thank you very much. Ang ganda ng ilong ko, no? Ang ganda. Ganda ng nose ko, di pa rin nawawala. So, ayun nga. Thank you very much again. This is Katerina Silva, Margote by Debbie, at kung ano-ano pa. Miss Ideal Girl. Bye! Bye-bye!